So, what is up guys, it's Auto Squad Racing here, the other half obviously. So today we're going to be taking a look at my new garage. Well, it's not really new, got some new paints on these cars right here. So, but I just want to show you something that's quite honestly ridiculous. Let me hop into my Porsche 918, I'm sorry. Let's get in the car. Okay, we will go back out to the real world in Forza. So here's the 918. I just want to show you what the thing sounds like in the tunnel. Sorry for the rewind, it's hard to drive with one hand. Now let me find a tunnel. Let's make sure I'm going right here first. Yeah, okay. Here we go. Here's a modded C1 Corvette coming up. Well, I'm not sure. No, that's a Maserati Tipo birdcage. Okay, now let's take the shortcut jump. Land it. Always. So, let me find the tunnel on the highway. So, just throw the gas. Ooh, nice Pagani wire. Alright, here we go. Here we go. This is the best thing you've probably ever heard in your life. How? Well, that's really all I had to show you. Thanks, and have a nice day. Like and subscribe. Peace.